Hi, my name is Dr. Chelle. Thank you so much for coming to the Dr. Test Prep YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is all about you, and this current series is about helping you improve on the PSAT and SAT. Right now, we are looking at Khan Academy's Unit 4, Advanced Math, Lesson 10, Quadratic and Exponential Word Problems. If you've bought my book on Amazon for $14.95, we are on page 77. If you didn't, no worries. Paper and pencils, perfectly wonderful. Open up the calculator, please, and make sure you choose Assessment College Board. I'm getting better at this. The intro used to take me a minute. All right, Raymond is saving money for college. His investment can be calculated using the equation A of t equals 1,500 times 1.05t, where A of t is savings. Okay, so we know that this is how much savings he has. And t is years, so this means years. What does the ordered pair 5, 19, 14 mean? Well, remember, if we think of ordered pairs, it's x and f of x, right? So it's like x stands for x and y stands for f of x, where x is the input and f of x or y is the output. That's the same thing here. The difference is t is our x value and a of t is our y value. Okay, now this is my second time recording the video. The first time I showed the Desmos calculator to graph it, and it just didn't help. So that's why we're not looking at it for this one, but we will look at it for some of the other ones. Nonetheless, so basically what this is saying is that in 5 years, Raymond will have $1,914. So let's take a look at our answer choices. Raymond earned an extra $1,914. No, this isn't the formula for how much extra money he has. This is the formula for how much money he has. So because of the word extra, it's not choice A. Raymond's total savings is $1,914 after 5 years. Yes, that is the correct answer. Let's just double check the rest. Raymond needs to save money for 5 years to save an extra. There's that word extra again. And Raymond spent $1,914 in 5 years, and that's not true. So choice B is the correct answer. The temperature decreases at night following the exponential function below, where, I forgot to change this. H is time in hours, and T of H is the formula that we're going to use. What is the temperature after 4 hours? So this is a perfectly perfect Desmos question. I've got T of H equals 80 parentheses 0.95. Close the parentheses. Shift 6 gives us the exponent where we'll write the h. Now we have the function. If we wanted to scroll out, we could look at it, but we really don't need the graph right now. What we need to do is, since we've written it in function notation, meaning the T of h, we're just going to type in T of, and then the number 4. And that's our answer. Okay, 65.1605. So what is the temperature? The one that makes the most sense would be 65 degrees. Notice that capitalization matters. We needed to keep it lowercase. All right, the bacterial culture grows exponentially according to the function below, where T is hours. What is the population after 6 hours? Same thing. I'll X these equations out. I've got B of T equals 600 times 1.05 raised to the t power. And I want 6 hours, so I'm just going to do B parentheses 6. Done. 804.05, which will be that one. All right, so this is the end of Unit 4, Lesson 10. Don't go anywhere yet. Well, you are going to go somewhere. Please go back to Khan Academy, look at Unit 4, Lesson 10, and do the practice questions using the tips and tricks I gave you using the Desmos calculator. When you're done, if you got orange on Lesson 11, please come back where we'll talk about quadratic graphs. All right, this is Dr. Chelle. Thanks for believing in yourself. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.